there are some really exciting changes that have happened in HubSpot that were announced. We've been able to do way more customization on the left-hand sidebar, way more customization on the right-hand sidebar. And now finally, something we've all been waiting for, we can customize the center feed. Okay, we could do this based on teams because each team, we might have a company or a contact in our system that is meaningful to the CS team, that's meaningful to your delivery, fulfillment, and onboarding team, that's meaningful to the sales team, depending on how your organization is set up, but they're not really able to see the information that's important to them. For example, once somebody becomes a client that CS is managing, maybe they don't want to see all of these other interactions and marketing email opens and all of that stuff. And yes, we were always able to filter that view, but now we have a custom view. So let me go ahead and share that with you. So here we go. We can see this is the custom view we created for our sales team. So we could see information like when they were created, their life cycle stage, and their last activity date. Now for our particular use case, this is really helpful. I'm going to go ahead and move this because let's say we're going to go into, this is what our sales and marketing team would see. So we could see if, and we could add deals to this as well. I did not add deals because Loom does not allow us, or I don't know how it would allow me to blank out some information. So I don't want to share anything about this company that would be private to this company, but we can see recent communication. We can add that card. We can see pre-sale scoping. So this would tell us that we have pre-sale scoping active right now and that we have HubSpot accounts. Now, because we're HubSpot partners, we have a HubSpot account record. But here's the important thing here. In this center custom feed, you could put recent communication, you could put data account about the object, and then any type of object that's associated, we could put a card there, right? So if we wanted our deals, if we wanted our contacts, if we wanted to just make it easier in the center feed to see everything that everybody needs, and this might change, and you might say, hey, we've got the contacts on the right side, we've got the deals on the right side. Well, maybe we want other custom objects on the right-hand side to be at the top. And then in this middle feed, we can actually change and see, okay, what all is going on with this account right now. And like I said, we could do this by team. So it's super easy to set up. So let me go ahead over here, and actually the area of the screen I have selected is going to make this a little bit hard to show, but let me see if I can beat my own system. Aha, here we go. I just made my screen a little bit smaller here. All right, so here we go. Now what you would do is you would go to the settings, and then you would go to the object you want to customize. So this is companies on mine, and you go to record customization. Then you go to customize the additional tab, and this is the sales team view. So like I said, anything that's associated, we can go ahead and add here. So if we wanted to see tickets, we could add the tickets. If we wanted to see their subscriptions, we could see their subscriptions. If we wanted to see deals, we could see deals. If we wanted to see payments, we could see payments. If we wanted to see invoices, we could see that. And so, we can make this, let's say it's our internal team who works on managing finance and those types of operations related to our customer. Well, then what they would be able to do is we could just show them subscriptions, deals, payments, invoices if we're pulling that in, and they would see that. Our sales and marketing team can see data related to sales and marketing. Or our sales team can see sales related activity, marketing can see marketing related activity. So any custom object can be placed here, as well as, like I said, data highlights and recent communication. And so this is really dynamic. It adds a lot of customization opportunity that wasn't there before. I know this is something that we've had a lot of people who we work with in HubSpot wanting to see happen, wanting that ability to customize a little bit more. Now they will have that. So let me know if you have any questions, and happy customization of the center feed on your records building.